Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our online class. And this is Miss Iga speaking. Okay, I hope you are always happy and healthy and ready to start our new lesson. Okay, in this video, I will explain about your material in the chapter 6. The title of the chapter 6 is Get the Ball Rolling. What is it about? Before we learn more, make sure to open your book and prepare your book and pen to take a note. Ready? Okay, get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Okay, first of all, you need to take a look at these sentences. Repeat after me. Okay, so I will say the sentences to you and please repeat after me. Okay, A. Don't skate on the thin ice. Don't skate on the thin ice. Repeat after me. Okay, so look at the bold word. Look at this. Thin. Thin. What is the meaning of thin? Yes, kurus atau tipis. Dalam hal ini, dalam konteks ini, in this context, thin means tipis. Okay. B. Please fill the empty jar with water. Please fill the empty jar with water. Look at the bold word. Fill. Fill. Fill in Indonesian is mengisi. Fill is mengisi. Okay, move on to C. The ball rolls down the hill. The ball rolls down the hill. Rolls. Rolls. Okay, so let's move on to D. I took a walk along the river. I took a walk along the river. Repeat after me. I took a walk along the river. Good. And the last sentence is E. Do not leave any trash when you go. Do not leave any trash when you go. Repeat after me. Okay, so in these 5 sentences, make sure to pay attention to the bold vocab, bold words, thin, fill, rolls, along, and leave, because we will discuss and you need to know how to use this word in sentence. Okay? Okay, so our main topic for today is get the ball rolling, and in this topic, let's focus on reading. Reading comprehension or reading loud. Reading comprehension, it means that you have to comprehend or understand what is the writer going to say in the text. Okay, let's start. Make sure you read this also at home. Okay, there are many great inventions, computers, cars, and airplanes. But there is another great invention. It is small. It has many colors, and people use it every day. What is it? It is the ballpoint pen. The Biro brothers invented the ballpoint pen in 1938. First, they made a thin tube. There was a tiny ball at one end. Then, they filled the tube with ink. Last, they put a cover over the tube. This became the ballpoint pen. When people write with a ballpoint pen, the tiny ball rolls along the paper. The ink from the thin tube covers the ball. So when the ball rolls, it leaves ink on the paper. That is how people can see what they are writing. The Biro Brothers ballpoint pen is a simple invention, but many people use it every day. It is one of the greatest inventions. Okay, so from this text, after reading this text, you are expected to know the meaning, the purpose of this text, and also you have to gain new knowledge. And in this topic is about the invention of ballpoint pen. The invention of ballpoint pen, okay? Jadi dari teks ini kalian diharapkan bisa memahami apa yang disampaikan dan juga menambah pengetahuan kalian di bidang dalam hal penemuan ballpoint, pena ballpoint. Okay? Let's pay attention to this vocabulary of the day. So there are many new vocabulary of the day from this text, including this. Okay? But today we will focus on this vocabulary. Let's find out the meaning of this vocabulary. Number 1, inventions. Inventions. The meaning of inventions is penemuan. Okay, next, tiny. 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 Tiny in Indonesian is kecil. It's even more tiny or tinier than small. Jadi perbandingannya tiny itu lebih dari small, lebih di bawah small. Okay? Tiny. Fill. 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 In Indonesian, fill is mengisi. Mengisi. Okay? Next, let's move on to tube. Tube is tabung atau pipa. Dalam hal itu ada kan yang dalam pena itu yang kayak tabung, itu yang panjang tempat isi tintanya. Okay, next, ink. Ink. The meaning of ink is tinta. And the last vocabulary of the day is cover. Cover. Cover is tutup atau menutupi. Okay, make sure you know the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation of this word and understand the meaning. Okay. Now let's discuss our lesson in our group. Thank you for your attention and see you. Don't forget to go back to our group and let's have some discussions. Okay? Bye-bye.